Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with essential tips and knowledge to ensure your online safety. In this video, we will discuss the fundamentals of cybersecurity and provide practical guidance on how to protect yourself from cyber threats. Stay tuned till the end to discover how you can protect your digital presence effectively. So let's get started. Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand the importance of cybersecurity. In today's digital world, our personal information is stored online, making it vulnerable to cybercriminals. Cybersecurity involves practices and measures to protect our devices, data, and online presence from unauthorized access or damage. By implementing these cybersecurity basics, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to cyber threats. Number 1. Strong passwords. Let's start with one of the foundational pillars of cybersecurity, creating strong passwords. Many people unknowingly use easily guessable passwords, leaving their accounts vulnerable. To protect yourself, follow these tips when creating passwords. 1. Combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to create a complex password. 2. Avoid common words or personal information that can be easily guessed. 3. Ensure your passwords are at least 12 characters long. 4. Regularly update your passwords and avoid reusing them across multiple accounts. 5. Consider using a reliable password manager to securely store all your passwords. By taking these precautions, you can significantly increase the security of your online accounts. Number 2. Two-factor authentication. Now that you have strong passwords, it's time to add an extra layer of protection using two-factor authentication, 2FA. 2FA adds an additional step during the login process, ensuring that even if someone knows your password, they won't be able to access your accounts without the second verification factor. Here's how you can enable 2FA. 1. Visit the settings or security section of your online accounts. 2. Enable two-factor authentication and choose the preferred method, often through a text message, email, or authentication apps. 3. Once enabled, when you log in, you will be prompted to enter a secondary verification code sent to your selected method. Implementing two-factor authentication provides an added layer of security for your accounts, making it more difficult for hackers to gain unauthorized access. Number 3. Secure browsing, protecting yourself. While browsing the internet is essential to avoid falling victim to cyber threats. Here are a few tips to ensure secure browsing. 1. Use a reputable web browser and keep it up to date. 2. Enable automatic security updates for your operating system and browser. 3. Be cautious when visiting unknown websites or clicking on suspicious links. 4. Look for the padlock icon and HTTPS in the website's URL to ensure encrypted connections. 5. Avoid downloading files or software from untrusted sources. 6. Consider using a virtual private network, VPN, for additional privacy and security. By following these practices, you can significantly reduce the chances of encountering malware or falling into the hands of cybercriminals. Number 4. Recognizing phishing attempts. Phishing is a common cyber attack where scammers attempt to trick you into sharing sensitive information. By being able to identify phishing attempts, you can protect yourself and your personal data. Here's what you need to know. 1. Double-check email senders' addresses and be skeptical of unsolicited emails, especially those asking for personal information. 2. Look out for generic greetings or urgent requests, characteristic of phishing emails. 3. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading attachments from unknown sources. 4. Legitimate organizations usually won't ask for sensitive information via email. 5. Hover over links to see the actual URL before clicking on them. 6. Stay updated on the latest phishing techniques to stay one step ahead of scammers. Being vigilant and cautious can help you avoid falling prey to phishing scams and protect your personal and financial information. Number 5. Regular software updates. One essential practice to protect yourself from cyber threats is to keep your software up to date. Cyber criminals often exploit vulnerabilities present in outdated software. Regularly updating your software helps patch these vulnerabilities and improves your overall security. Follow these guidelines. 1. Enable automatic updates for your operating system, web browsers, and antivirus software. 2. Regularly check for software updates manually if automatic updates are not available. 3. Install updates as soon as they are released to stay protected against the latest threats. Remember, updating your software is a simple but crucial step towards maintaining your cybersecurity. Number 6. Regularly back up your data. Now that we've covered fundamental cybersecurity practices, let's talk about the importance of regularly backing up your data. In the unfortunate event of a cyber incident or hardware failure, having a recent backup ensures you won't lose essential information. Here's how you can effectively back up your data. 1. Use an external hard drive, cloud storage, or a combination of both for your backups. 2. Set up automatic backups to ensure your data is consistently and conveniently saved. 3. Test your backups periodically to make sure they can be easily restored if needed. By incorporating regular data backups into your routine, you create an additional layer of protection for your valuable information. Number 7. Be mindful of social media privacy. Last but not least, be mindful of social media privacy. In today's interconnected world, social media is a significant part of our online presence. However, it's crucial to be mindful of your social media privacy to prevent unauthorized access and potential misuse of your personal information. Consider these tips. 1. Review and adjust your privacy settings regularly to control who can see your profile and posts. 2. Be cautious about the information you share, avoiding sensitive details that could be used against you. 3. Think twice before accepting friend requests from unknown or suspicious accounts. 4. Use strong and unique passwords for your social media accounts. 5. Educate yourself about the privacy policies of the platforms you use and adjust settings accordingly. By being proactive about your social media privacy, you contribute to a more secure online experience for yourself and your connections. And there you have it, essential cybersecurity tips to protect yourself online. By following these practices, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to cyber threats. Stay tuned for more informative videos to enhance your digital literacy and secure your online presence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Stay safe and see you in the next video.